philosophy of healthy vegan eating is less waste. So if you're like me and you have leftover Christmas cake that no one really wants anymore, why not turn it into another healthy treat that everyone will enjoy? So I'm going to show you my cake truffles. And in fact, if you have any type of cake or banana bread or biscuits or any other baked goods that are left over, rather than throw them away, this is a great recipe to turn them into tasty truffles. So to start with, we have 3 cups of cake crumbs, which just go into a blender. And I have here half a cup of fruit compote, which I've made myself. You can check out one of my previous videos. I show you how to make that. But you could also use sugar-free jam if you want something really quick and easy. So we'll just put that in there. Then just blend it up. Actually, you can also put in a little bit of cinnamon and nutmeg for a little extra flavour. And blend now to a smooth paste. So now we have a smooth paste. You can just add in a cup of anything you like, nuts or dried fruit or bits of chocolate. Obviously, depending on the type of cake you use, just put in whatever would complement the flavours. So that's about a cup of that. And just blend that in as well. So now we have a mixture that looks like this. So now just wet your hands a little and just get small balls of mixture and just roll them and just place on a lined tray. Okay, so now they're all ready. I'll just put them in the freezer to firm up a little while I melt some chocolate. So once they're firm, just skewer them with a knife, and we need about 270 grams of melted dark chocolate, and we just coat the truffles in the chocolate. Once they're coated, you can put anything you like on the outside, like shredded or grated chocolate is nice, or coconut or crushed nuts, anything like that. And then just leave it on the tray just to set. So just continue and do all the others the same way. So here we are, my delicious leftover cake truffles. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.